Hey everyone, this is Scott from dvc-rental.com and buyandselldvc.com. Today we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom Kidani Village. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath grand villa. This room is about 2,350 square feet and it's absolutely amazing so far. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. All right, I'll come back to that bathroom, but nice kitchen, granite countertops, black appliances. I probably prefer stainless steel, but these work. Nice big thick granite with an island. Seating over here, set up for 6 extra chairs over there, 4 bar stools also. Now this is a standard view, but it has a view of the savanna as well. Yeah, I'll go this way, I guess. This has a giant balcony out here. Not unlocked this yet. I have no problem. Here we go. Some animals down below. It's hard to see them down there. But huge balcony spanning the whole room. And what's really nice is that this is 2 levels as well. Really cool chandelier. Pretty much floor to ceiling view out here. Absolutely awesome. Again, as with regular all Animal Kingdom rooms, you got like the little carvings in there, all the woods, little Simba and Lion King themed, JBL speakers for surround sound. Little African touches. All right, let's go check out, because this is the master downstairs. There are so many lights in this room. So here's the first bathroom. Hello. TV in the bathroom, extra storage on the side. Little water closet, private bathroom in there. Even has a phone in case you gotta make phone calls. Granite countertops. You have a nice soak-in tub with jets in there, so it is whirlpool. I will say smaller size stand-up shower in here compared to some of the other grand villas I've stayed in. But not bad. And again, you can fit 2 people if you want in there. Some of the other grand villas I've been in, like Grand Floridian, there's room for 10 people in the shower. It was gigantic. Wait, we're gonna go back, sorry. This is the master king bed. Always the cool touches, like the lights with like the ostrich eggs built into them. Simba and Nala. And every bedroom has its own access to the balcony. Oh, this room really is beautiful. And so exotic and different. All right, so let's head back out into the main living area, because now we're going to go upstairs, because upstairs there are 2 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. Oh, in here, you've got your washer and dryer. Actually, I forgot when I came in, I didn't even bother going into here yet. There's another bathroom here. This is the 4th bathroom. Again, granite countertops. This one has a tub and shower in it. I haven't seen these tiles before in Animal Kingdom. It's interesting. Really big closet over here with lots of shelving. Floor to ceiling closet. Big. Probably good, almost 4 feet wide. And now we head upstairs. Again, cool decorations and artwork on the walls. And there is a second entrance. This goes out into the main hallway out there, because again, this is on 2 levels, so you can go in the hallway. And you've got another seating area up here, a little loft. And another little, little table. You can sit there and work if you want. So this is, we'll say, the second bedroom bathroom combo. Again, similar nice tile with little animal prints in there. All the rooms do come with these dispensers. No small little H2O products that you can take with you. They're going to be getting rid of those anyway. Little water closet. Coughing from all that walking. More little artwork. Another full closet, blankets and stuff in here. Tons of storage in this room. And this is 2 queen beds, and all little carved woods and little hidden Mickey. Nice desk to work at. And again, another balcony, beautiful view. And again, this is a standard view, not a savanna view. So the fact that we can see any animals right now is an absolute bonus. If you book the savanna view, you'll have a much better view of the animals. This is a standard view, so anything that shows up here is special and extra. Obviously, savanna view is more points to use, so more expensive. So the fact that I can see some animals with the standard view is delightful. Finally, back over to the 3rd bedroom with its own attached bathroom. 2 more queen beds. This room will sleep 12 plus an infant. There's a pull-out couch in the living room as well. And tons of storage. Same details as the other room. Same carving, same hidden Mickey. Every room has an LED TV, desk, and even all the rooms have the luggage holders as well. Other details on this. And again, another beautiful view outside. Well, if you've watched this long, I greatly appreciate this. This is an absolutely beautiful grand villa. Again, 3 bedroom, 4 bath, grand villa. This is at Disney's Animal Kingdom Kidani Village. If you get the grand villa at Jambo House, it's all on 1 level. And the grand villas at Jambo House are cool because they have a pool table in them as well. So if you'd like to find out how to save around 40 to 50% off of Disney's prices for this room and all of the deluxe Disney resorts, check out our rental company, dvc-rental.com. Put in the dash to save the cash. Or if you're thinking of making Animal Kingdom one of your home resorts, if you want to buy into Disney's Vacation Club, or if you just want to stay here and purchase a different home resort, check out our licensed real estate company, buyandsell.dvc.com. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.